What is up, everybody, and welcome back for another episode of Jesse's Drone Adventures. Today I got a really cool find for you because we're going to go check out the old abandoned Bighorn gas station. Here's what it looks like. Alright guys, real quick before we go check out the goddamn, it is a hot one today out here in the Arizona desert. But I just want to share with you real quick, definitely make sure you watch until the very end because I have some other interesting and exciting news that I want to share with you guys about abandoned buildings. So keep that in mind, but nonetheless, let's go check this place out. Not going to tell you exactly where this place is, but to kind of give you a little context, it's between Casa Grande and Gila Bend, Arizona. Now I don't know a whole lot about this place, but from the information I found on the web, it basically said that this place was established in the mid-1920s by the Bender family, and they pretty much just, sold gas, food, beverages, and they did a little ranching on the side. We'll kind of do an overall walk through here. Now, if you're wondering why I'm wearing a construction vest, well, I found this video on the internet that basically said if you're wearing a construction vest, a hard hat, and you're carrying a ladder, you can pretty much get away with anything. Sometimes these places, I know I'm not supposed to be in, but I really want to get this content for you guys, so I figured I'd wear it so that way passerbys probably think, oh, he probably has some business there. All we're doing is walking through and checking it out. We're not here to, damage or cause any mischief, so I wear this to kind of blend in, if you will. Let's check this out, see what we can find in here. Oh, a lizard! Probably not a whole lot. I don't know how well you guys can see it in there. Looks like there's a bunch of feathers. Maybe part of it was a gas station and part of it was a little barn. Kind of go in here. I know these are locked. I'm not even going to try. Nor would I want to go in there, though, too. Probably rattlesnakes. Oh, and pigeons! They're keeping us out of something here. Yeah, you can definitely tell this has been here for quite some time. If the information that I found on the web is true, then in about another 5 years, this place will be about 100 years old. That fireplace definitely has some age to it. What do we have here? Something, something. Surely he comes quickly. I have no idea what that means, but if you do, let me know. This is interesting. This looks like an old western town. Let's check out the back real quick, and then we'll kind of go over there. I wonder if we can kind of see in here. Oh, a little. These squares are just big enough to fit my camera right next to it. You can definitely hear birds in there and see a bunch of feathers. Probably another back end way into the basement. There's my lovely car. Hi, car. Love you. Just another abandoned place out in the middle of nowhere. It's like some Little House on the Prairie stuff. What's this, a pool? I got my drone up in the air earlier. That's what it kind of looked like. Maybe it was a pool. Maybe that's just, what they looked like with no water in them back in the day. Or a burning pit of some sort. Probably burned their own garbage out here, I'd assume. Maybe this was the diving board. Yeah. No, probably not. Not really sure what this is, but it looks like a stairs that goes down somewhere. If you guys know what that was, let me know. Here we have the old school basketball court where you do a little one-on-one. I'm just kidding. I have no idea what that was for. Looks like we got an old oil rig here. Awesome. That definitely has some age to it. Old corral back there. Probably won't go back there because it doesn't look too interesting. Just an old fence. If you guys have any information on the family or any more history on the background of this place, let me know or put a description in the comments so that way I can, do a little bit more research on this place and maybe make a follow-up video in the future. Part of the fun is going to the places and checking them out and kind of imagining what was. And the other fun part of it is just learning a little bit about it. So we'll kind of use our imagination here for now. Here's a different point of view there. Doesn't look like it goes anywhere. This place kind of reminds me of that old Nickelodeon show. What's it called? Hey Dude. Old Nickelodeon show back in, I think, the early 1990s. It's a little wild and a little strange when you make a home out on the range. It's a little wild and a little strange when you make a home out on the range. Gotta watch out for them ankle biters and the man-eating jackrabbits. Alright guys, so the information I wanted to share with you guys at the very end of this video was, on my way out here, I probably found about 3 or 4 abandoned homes kind of sitting on the side of the road, just out in the middle of nowhere. So I'm actually going to go back to those right now, and I'm going to make a separate episode for each home. We'll kind of do a walkthrough, check it out, get the bird up in the air and see what they look like. So make sure you tune in the next few weeks because I'm going to give you a walkthrough of all those houses. But other than that, I just want to say thank you guys for tuning into this week's episode. I greatly do appreciate it. If you enjoyed what you saw, definitely let me know by smashing that like button. And if you want to see more abandoned buildings, then definitely subscribe because I got a lot more coming your way. We'll see you guys next week. Take care. Now time for a segment of freestyling with Jesse. Yo, 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 I'm traveling down the open road in search of abandoned buildings and homes. I got my cameras, my GoPros, and my drones. Let's get the show on the road.